Hello everyone. Today we're gonna make a quite introduction for the well-known languages as C++. The making an introduction, starting and just one of the main and my fundamental is the way to starting uh, one of the softwares may so fire to running writing code. So for example, at first we need to be delay install for C++ at first in this here extensions and there's already installed here. It will install, so we just going there and we're just taking the C++ and just installing it. And after that, we're just going here and create a new file, and we can just by the testing we can create new file. For example, after that we will create some file and after the plus and we to define it as the C++ KPP. We write KPP as the KPP after that. So we just create a new file. And at first what we have to do is including string and next one is string in our case. In sorry, it's getting and so on. So at first we need to create name int which specific for this wait I forgot one thing. Wait, I forgot something. Maybe because we have to add something now here. No. Username is the. I just remembered. Let's go back to this. This one usernames. This. And after that, anything what we want, maybe hello, anything we want, and open. Wait, this is the void of the first which we're gonna start writing. And at first we're gonna interested on the making a simple output as the hello world. Maybe let's see. This into the quote, and before the quote let's it's unlike Python we all the time like we have to including its your stream and importing creating its own until the void inside of like that. So rather than also before the count and before we just do this with these symbols have to use and always after using of writing into the after the behind after the quiet we have to put this symbol so it won't get we got to get extra this means like this end of this individual part this part after that zero it is just end of the void of this command which is including this command into of this form with maybe how I understand it all this command also should be all the time or all the all the after the after the all the end of command of in within of this the void. Let's see then maybe to run it, we can just open some run code, and or just we can just run the the press the press the keyboard on Control Alt and N. Wait, Control Alt N. Wait, it seems we have some problem now. I forgot to update it maybe. How to update it? Control answer. After the Control C and Control Alt N. Wait, and now it worked. It turns out we can't change the main to other value. I changed it. I thought it's own by own. We can change it to I change it like kilo or something. So it should be main and should be left as main. So after that, since I changed to that value, this name to to the main one, it worked now. I will show it one more time. And, and it worked. Wait, what? Here is we got this. We got this. We got this hello world. I think at this frame it's not much noticeable. So at the video, so you can increase. I will increase it so it will more noticeable like this. So hello world, we can see that we can change it to something else and also do. That's the first input in C++. Very simple. We can also add some the next word, for example, like that. So, what's up, everyone? And there is a C. There's something. Just control at first the Control S and Control of the Control Alt, Control Alt and T. There. Here. Hello world. What's up, everyone? We got this, but there is a the hello world and WhatsApp is uh, connect connected to each other, and it should be separated words. So in this case, so to fix this, we will use that way. So before the first code print, we will add this this one, this type, and end. So it will add additional extra line, so it won't be or instead of this instead of this we can just do that way, but just left some space, so it won't left control N, control Alt, and run this command, and hello what's up everyone, so it won't separate it now. So if but the previous command I wanted to show, it was the command for making the lines from to the second line. For this, if only from the first line, you gotta make it to the second line. So I gotta show it how this actually looks like. So the first line, and after that, oh no, this the command, and Control S and Control Alt N. So we can show the open hello all world, and at the next line what's up everyone. So that's it. So yeah, if you want to the creating an output for several lines rather than like all has been stick on one line. So 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 also just leave some space. Also this is the command. You write down the two time and it will come. It will comment. this the command, so it will be more readable. You can just write anything, notice notes, and so on. So next thing is I want to choose int for the variable system represents int something new value which is we go hello, for example, hello, and here for example it will look like while 15. Okay, that's just something more ordinary. Student. Then age. Students A. Oh, sorry. Students age. Students age and students age is student. Students age is equal to 15. I write the close this. Students age is equal to 15 and just alt into quite equal. No. If we just introduce, and if it will be somewhere we won't write it into the quote it without write this without quote. So just write, for example, students age. Let's study. Control N, Control Alt N. Oh, mistake. Let's try to figure it out. No, did I make mistake? No, wait. Maybe seems like instead of this symbol I put this one. I should put this one. This one. I should that the first one was wrong. I did it in sleep, so we'll change it. Maybe now I hope it should work now. Maybe I hope this for this time. Control S, Control Alt N. Now is it? Oh no, still seems we're still having some dents. Understood. That's so wrong. I just forgot the age here. Okay. Control S, Control Alt N. One more time. No way. Is it going to accept it all the way? Wait. After the call count, we had the close by bracket or bracket or close close, and I hope now it should work now. Yeah, this feels like too simple, but already me making too much mistakes already. No, please work. What? Okay, seems mistake. Control S, Control Alt N. Oh, really? It worked now, seems. See, oh, but there is a it worked now, but there should be separate. We just left some space after that. And now just Control S, Control Alt N. Oh, no way. I guess. And wait. It should work now properly. Control S, Alt N. So hello world. What's up everyone? Hello, and 15 is separated now. Student's age is 15. So we can just go that way, and also we can just use it as calculator. For example, maybe int to say some other represent, for example, like int oh sorry x int x and is equal to 5 and int y y y equal to 2 equal to and both without any quotes type y plus let's try. I hope it will work. Control S and Control Alt N. Seems it works. See that here it works, but this is has been this match to the previous 15, and it shows a 57. So we will try to create. Where the student age and after can we like student for after student age like add the same way and I'm not sure but no way I'm afraid it's not a mistake anyway. Let's see, just I will try to make that way maybe and and so maybe it should work maybe or not work. Seems like mistake. Okay, actually sure I will just add that way maybe extra space with empty extra space. Just Control S, Control Alt N. Now it should be separated. No, mistake. We forgot to close with brackets now. This one. Control S and Control Alt N. Now it works. Here, hello world. What's up, everyone? Hello. And 15. The 15 is the student age, and the 7 is the sum of x and y, which is we introduced that the 5 is x equal to 5 and y equal to 2. Then just count and as using it as the calculator now. And so return it back. Also, there's some also new some input as which is we can use it for user input sim and if I'm not mistaken something like that, which is let us to interacting the make commands based on the user's input, and I think that's interesting. And at the next video we made also try to make something interesting with this command. And now for a while this maybe basics which we get now. So Control N, decrease it. The basic mains we got that now.